Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 3 great ways to make money online. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. My favorite side hustles are those that bring in money on their own. I worked in the tech industry for over 12 years and I haven't always been interested in making money online. These ideas have worked for me. I worked in the tech industry for over 12 years and I've always been interested in making money online. These ideas have worked for me and they might work for you too. The first one is blogs with affiliate links. Blogging is one of the best side jobs that will help you get started. I've made over $1,000 in the last year from my blog, which I then sold for a nice profit. I got money from affiliate links and advertising. I wrote about things I was passionate about, added affiliate links, and got a lot of traffic. If you had a blog about topics that people are interested in, this is a good way to make money. Blogging is a good place to start. Medium, of course, has a ready audience, so this is a great place to start. But if you have a self-hosted blog, there are also ways to sell a successful blog online. 2. eBay selling. I sold items on eBay for a few years. This made a decent profit. It was great as a side hustle, but I got tired of it eventually. I could sell USB sticks and other small tech gadgets that were easy to ship. I eventually quit because the profit margins were getting smaller and I couldn't find anything else I wanted to sell. I sold a lot of things to people in other countries, so postage was expensive and eventually I couldn't offer prices that could compete. Some markets were hard to, with fraud and lost packages. That was a problem. So I was spending a lot of time on eBay selling things to people all over the world. Selling things on eBay, Etsy, or other online marketplaces can be a good way to make money. But you need a good product, good profit margins, and you have to spend a lot of time packaging things. 3. Selling your photographs. I sold photographs to publishers for a few years and did very well for a while. I had a lot of money. I was trying to be at the top of my game and everything was going well. But I left the fashion business to take another job, and when I went back into it, I didn't get much work. So I started selling my photos in online image libraries instead. It takes a lot of time and work to get all of your photos onto image libraries, but it can lead to good sales and give you a nice passive income once you are done. So if you have a lot of your own photos sitting on your computer, why not make money off of them by putting them on stock photography sites like Shutterstock? Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. So make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. So click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.